Do you find that your temperature controls no longer work in your vehicle? Your blower motor is stuck on one speed or none of your electronics work? Well, it may be that you need to replace your blower motor resistor. I'm Kanan from the Way.com YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do just that. So a lot of times you'll find that your controls no longer work, your fan speed is stuck on one, or you're not getting any air from the vents for your air conditioning or your heat. A lot of times it's just either corrosion or overheating, or the resistor just flat wore out. Now they'll typically cost between $50 and $150 for most cars to replace, but it's a really easy job. And here's what you need to do. First step of the process is going to be to find where your blower motor resistor actually is located. You know that you have your controls there. There's a wiring harness that will come down behind your dash, and your blower motor is typically somewhere above the passenger footwell where your feet go, or behind the glove box. So you may need to take your glove box out in order to get to this, which could be just a simple screwdriver and screws, or a couple sockets. Just take them out. Now once you find your blower motor resistor, goal is to take the harness out. So you're just going to unplug it, and then you're going to remove the resistor from the HVAC box. Now it may take a couple screws or a socket set in order to get that out. Next will be just to simply replace the resistor. So note that if there is a gasket that is required to go back with it, put it back together with the screws you took out, plug in your harness, and then you're going to check if you actually have repaired the situation. Your electronics should work. You should now have multiple speeds on your blower motor, and your HVAC should push air out of the vents. Now if everything works as you expect it to, it's time to put the glove box in. So put it back in, a couple screws that you took out, and the job is done. Simple to do, and you save yourself quite a bit of money just by replacing that simple piece yourself. Now, if you like these DIYs here on the Way.com YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you know when we release new videos. You can also follow us on Instagram at Way.com_ and on TikTok at Way.com. Because at Way.com, it is all about cars. We'll see you next time.